Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my